My name is Madam Shukrani from Educare Institute. We are proceeding with Necta solving, and specifically it's English language Form 4 Necta solving. Today we are going to discuss the question from Necta 2018 question number 10, which reads, Answer two questions from the four alternatives A, B, C, and D. So in this question, there are four alternatives which are A, B, C, and D, and the candidates were required to answer only two from those four alternatives. A reads, imagine that you have completed your final examination and your father has arranged for you a trip to Arusha to visit your auntie. Write a letter to your friend requesting him or her to spend 1 week with you at your auntie's place. Sign your name as Mazoea Majengo. So here, the candidates were required to write a friendly letter. Then the main idea in this letter, or the message, was a request to his or her friend on joining with him or her to visit her aunties who lives at Arusha. So the answer, in answering this question, let us have a look on key elements or key issues or key themes to consider in writing of friendly letter. The first one is heading. In friendly letter, heading consists of sender's address and date. Sender's address and date. This information are put on the right place at the top of the letter. So sender's address and date are put on the right place at the top of the letter. Sender's address means that the physical address where the sender lives. Then the date means the date where the sender wrote the letter. For example, here we can see P.O. Box 46343. We call it Post Office Box 46343. In Swahili we say sanduku la posta, yani sanduku la posta 46343. Mwembebamia, Dar es Salaam. So in writing physical address, you should first write the post office box, which we have suggested. We have written 46343. Then you should locate where do you live by writing the name of the place. Mwembebamia, Dar es Salaam. Mwembebamia, Dar es Salaam. Then the date, you put it after telling your region or your place. Then you write the date, 24th October 2023. After that, we have another element, which is salutation or greetings. Salutation or greetings. For example, dear Madam or Sir, dear Joseph, dear friend, etc. Here, the salutation or greetings, it is an opening of a letter which is written on the left side. The line after the date, the line after the line of the date, the line which follows is where we write this salutation. For example, dear sir or dear madam, dear friend. Another term is body. Here, it involves what you say or the aim or major idea of the letter. So here the message is put in this part. Starts with the word like the aim of this letter is. So here you introduce what you intended to say, or your request, what your request is, or what you need, or what you are asking for. If it is a wish, if it is a request, maybe for example from this question you want him or her to escort you, is where you can write a body or the main idea or theme or what carries the letter, is where you can write this information. Another is conclusion or closing, concluded by the words like you are faithful, sincere. So here in conclusion there are some words which we put here. Hapa ni kwenye hitimisho, kwenye barua. Pale mwishoni kuna maneno tunaweka, wako mtiifu, unaweka pale chini. Then followed by signature and name. So after these words, after closing your letter, then you should put there your signature and name. Una sign, yani ni lazima kwenye barua usaini kwamba hii ni wewe ndo umethibitisha na ni kweli ni wewe ndo umeiandika, then your name there to show or to direct or to indicate where the letter come from. Maybe it's when you write postal address, maybe she or he may think that it is somebody whom I don't know, but when you write your name here, it is very, very easier for her or for him to understand that this comes from my friend, and it will be very easy for her or for him to answer immediately. For example, here it is an example. PO Box 46343 Mwembe Bamia, Dar es Salaam, 24th October 2023. Dear Alice, it's my hope that you are doing good since we completed our final examination. On my side, I'm doing well. The aim of this letter is to invite you in my trip to Arusha to my auntie's place. It has arranged by my father that we are going to spend 1 week, then we'll be back on our way back home. So here the message have been conveyed, the letter have been conveyed the message which were required. It was a request to his or her friend, this Mazoea Majengo. Maybe he's a male or female, we don't know. So here the writer tries to show or to indicate the main idea which were required to be answered. She or he were asking for her friend or his friend to escort her or to escort him to join in her trip or his trip to Arusha to auntie's place. So she indicated or he indicated that we are going to spend only 1 week, to assure her that there is no any problem in time for returning back, because I've been indicated the time that it is only 1 week. So here it gives the complete information on what to do and what should be done. So here the receiver of this letter may understand that, oh, we are going to have a trip, then we'll spend only 1 week. After that week I will be back. So it is very easier for her or for him to arrange her timetable on what to do for these few days before maybe, and what to do for this time where I will not be around, what should be done, and if there are things to fix, she or he may try to fix them in order to put things on the right place. And this marks the end of our discussion. We'll continue with another time with another questions.